This could very well be it. This could very well be the greatest e-ink device currently made. This is the Onyx Boox MAX Lumi, and this is the cream of the crop. This has absolutely everything going for it. You can see the specs right there. It is 13.3 with the Frontlight. This is currently the only 13.3 inch e-reader to have a Frontlight. The Dasung does have a Frontlight, and it is a 13.3, but it is mostly a secondary monitor. This is a fully functioning tablet with an e-ink screen. You do get that screen protector in there. Now this is using the same overall body as the Max 3, but it has been upgraded in the internals and the software and everything else. We're just going to put that off to the side for now. Look at everything else that comes in the box. We have the documentation, the quick start guide. They do give you a bunch of different languages, as you can see here, 15 different languages. Very nice of them to do that. It is made on a kind of recyclable yellow paper, so that's always nice. And inside the box here, we have the USB-C to SD card slot converter here. It's like a little adapter. And everything else basically. So we have our micro HDMI cable and we have our USB-C cable with the stylus. Now you might be thinking, well, I'm spending a lot of money on this device. Am I getting an amazing stylus? You are not. To be completely honest, this stylus is good, but it's not great. There's nothing special about this stylus. It's a black stylus with an eraser on the button there and a tip. That's where it ends. So it's no Sony stylus, it's no Quaderno stylus, and it's just kind of basically a base model stylus. Open up the top here. We always like to keep this stuff handy because when it comes time to giving these away at contests and stuff, we can make sure it's nicely packed up for you guys. So it is a flush screen and bezel with a two-tone design right at the bottom there. They started this two-tone design back on the Poke 2. That's where you'll kind of see that. So it is full flush screen and bezel end to end. It is not reflective. It is matte, as you can see right there. The thing has some weight to it, which is very nice. There's nothing on the side, nothing on the other side. The top just has the power button and the status indicator light, and the bottom has all your ports right there. We will do obviously just a first time startup, but we are stopping there. This is going to be something we are reviewing and something we're going to be doing comparisons with against the Max 3, other 13.3 inch devices, etc. But for now, this is everything that comes in the box, the retail packaging, the user guide, the instruction manual, and everything else. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, let us know. And for an unboxing of the brand new 2020 Onyx Boox MAX Lumi, this is Peter.